I'm Ramjee Meena, a PSU professional with nearly 2 decades inside the system and founder of PsuPedia. If you earn well, but still feel unsure about property, retirement, or financial decisions, this space is built for you. Let's begin.
You know, what happens when your career looks just about perfect on paper? It's stable, it's respected, there's a clear path forward, but deep down, something just feels a little unclear. Well, we're going to dive into that. It's a quiet psychological journey a lot of professionals face, especially in the structured world of public sector undertakings. See, this isn't some big dramatic crisis. It's not a single moment of change. It's more of a quiet, internal shift that happens while everything on the outside keeps ticking along just fine. So in this explainer, we're going to unpack that very real but often invisible experience. To really get what this shift is all about, we have to start with the foundation. Let's first take a look at the external picture of a successful PSU career. You know, the one that society, and maybe even you, really aimed for at the beginning. And look, from the outside, it really is. You got a respectable role, a reliable salary coming in every month, and a career path that seems totally mapped out. It's the kind of stability that makes your family proud and is seen as a real hallmark of success. I mean, all the boxes are ticked. And this stability, it's not an accident. It's built on some really powerful pillars. You know exactly what your role is, you've got long-term job security, you can predict your salary growth, and you get that social recognition. These are the anchors that make these careers so attractive right from the get-go. In those first few years, the game plan is pretty straightforward, right? You learn the system, you adapt, and you handle your responsibilities carefully. Your internal motto kind of becomes just don't mess up, stay consistent, and build things up slowly. And this approach, it builds discipline and, over time, a really powerful sense of security. But then, something happens. After maybe 5-10 years, even with that solid foundation, something starts to shift. So now, we're going to move from that stable exterior and look at the quiet internal evolution that starts to unfold. And here's what makes this so tricky. It's not a loud alarm bell ringing in your head. It's more like a low hum in the background. You're not unhappy, and you're definitely not regretting your choices. It's just this quiet, nagging feeling that something isn't quite in focus. And because there's no obvious problem to solve, it can be really confusing. This is usually the first big question that starts to pop up. It's a gentle little probe into what your progress actually means. You know you're moving forward on that set path, but are you actually growing, expanding your skills, your purpose, or are you just continuing along the tracks that were laid out for you? And right on the heels of that one comes an even deeper question. You start to wonder about the unseen effects of your environment. Has the comfort of all this predictability started to shape your decisions, your ambitions, maybe even your own curiosity in ways you haven't really noticed before? Okay, so this brings us right to the heart of what we're talking about today, the paradox of structure. Let's dig into how the very system that gives you all that security also shapes your inner world in some pretty unexpected ways. This slide lays out the tension perfectly. On one side, you've got all these amazing strengths, security, predictability, clarity. But then you have the other side of the coin, their natural byproducts. That security can lead to more cautious decisions. Predictability makes our comfort zones, well, a lot more comfortable. And when there's less uncertainty, there's less urgency for change. And this brings up a really crucial idea, postponed exploration. The thing is, this isn't a flaw. It's not you being lazy or procrastinating. It's just a natural outcome. When everything feels stable and there are no immediate fires to put out, that deep personal work of exploring who you are and what you want, well, it just doesn't feel urgent. So it gets pushed to the back burner, almost without you realizing it. So what happens when all these things come together? Well, you can end up with this really strange internal disconnect. A totally stable career on one hand, but a restless mind on the other. Let's unpack what that feeling is really about. And this is the thought that just kind of loops in your head, right? Nothing is wrong, but something feels incomplete. A lot of people might think it's about a promotion or a salary bump, but usually that's not it at all. The feeling isn't about your position or your pay. It's about your direction. But here's a really important way to reframe that. This feeling doesn't mean something is wrong with your career. It's not a problem you have to solve, but maybe a signal for you to become more self-aware. And that is the key takeaway here. This quiet confusion is actually a good sign. It means your thinking is evolving. As the world outside gets more and more predictable, your internal need for real clarity and a sense of direction starts to get louder. You're not lost. You're just starting to look for a more personal map. So, okay, what do you do about it? The way forward isn't about some drastic change. First, just acknowledge that this phase is totally normal. Then, try to just observe your thoughts calmly, without any pressure to act on them. Take away that urgency to fix something, and just give yourself space to let that personal clarity emerge on its own time. And listen, it's so important to remember, you are not the only one feeling this way. This journey is incredibly common, but it's hardly ever talked about. Why? Because from the outside, all anyone ever sees is the stability. That internal process of reflection is by its very nature totally invisible to everyone else. And we see this exact same thing playing out across all sorts of structured careers in India. Whether you're in oil and gas, banking, the power sector, engineering, or public administration, this mid-career pivot from focusing on external stability to seeking internal clarity is a well-trodden, even if it's a very quiet path. So let's just leave you with this final thought to chew on. What if that quiet, kind of unsettling question in the back of your mind isn't actually a problem that needs solving? What if it's not a sign that you're lost at all, but instead it's the very first sign that you're ready and able to find a deeper, more personal direction for the rest of the journey ahead?
This is your host, Ramjee Meena. Let's build wealth calmly, retire with dignity, and avoid mistakes we don't need to repeat. It takes significant time and effort to research, analyze, and create these insights for PSU employees like you. If this helps you, consider liking and subscribing. It strengthens our commitment to create even better content. Your comments guide future topics. And if you believe this can prevent someone from making a costly real estate or retirement mistake, please share it. Because for working professionals, one wrong financial decision can cost years.